This is a video of some LED lights that Jesse put on our Kawasaki Bayou. The lights came off and I was really bummed out. And then I thought, hey, why don't you put that light bar on this Bayou? So this is what the result is. Go ahead, flip them on. Is that not amazing? So this light bar was sitting around in the barn, basically taking up space, and it fits perfectly.
Here, get close and show them the mount.
Yeah, there's the mount.
Can you turn on the light on your phone? Oh. No.
Well, you can still see the mount. It's just bolted on there and to that bar. Same thing on the other side. Yeah. And yeah, that's actually a lot better.
Yeah, there you go.
But anyway, it's so bright.
Serious deal.
Yeah, go ahead and take off. I'll video this.
How much percent improvement would you say it is?
Like 5,000%.
Yeah.
That is amazing. What an improvement. Take your trash and turn it into something incredibly functional. I mean, just look at that. That is just crazy.